Hi guys, Dave's here. Welcome back to my channel. Well, my CNC router, my brushes are getting wore down, so I bought some new ones off Amazon here, and so let's change them out. I mean, loosen up the router here. Go ahead and take this one out on this side before I turn it around. Just use a flat screwdriver. Just take it in there and kind of poke it out a little bit. You can see it's wore. Here's the new one. You can see the difference. So let's put the new one in there. Now maybe you can see a little bit better than this. You might have to mash in your little brass pieces here on the end, but they got to fit down inside. Mash these together just a little bit more. See they go down in there, then you can put it in. Make sure you get your threads there straight. Should be able to hand tighten it some. And take your screwdriver and tighten it the rest of the way up. Just snug it. Okay guys, that's how you change the brushes on a Bosch Colt router. Now that we got the brushes in there, let's test it. Okay guys, thanks for watching.